Bilinge za kimichezo, vuta ni kuvute, kipute kinapigwa kuanzia nyumbani mpaka kote duniani.
Alhamdulillah, our preparation for tomorrow against Coastal Union is ongoing well, and today will be our last training session for the match. The players are in good spirits, and we all know it's a very important game for us. And there's absolutely no doubt in our mind that we'll go out there tomorrow and we'll give our best and be the best versions of ourselves for this game.
Okay, thank you, Coach. Coach, you're on the top of the league with 51 points. Do you think you will still win the game tomorrow?
Yeah, of course. For us, we know how important it is, and the best thing that we have is our players know the expectations, and they know what needs to be done. But our focus right now is not to think about the long term. It's about Coastal Union and tomorrow, and the players are focused, and we know that we go to KMC Stadium tomorrow to get 3 points and give ourselves another 3 points to our total points.
Okay, thank you, Coach. Nakaribisha maswali kwa mwalimu.
Hi, Coach. My name is Latifa Nafi. I'm from KMTV. Tactical, what is going to change for style of play?
To be honest with you, young Africans are we are the champions of this country for the last 4 years, and with that comes a lot of responsibility, and we have to express ourselves on the pitch. Our fans love attacking, entertaining football, and our players, our squad is built for that. So I think, to be honest with you, the one thing that I can tell you that the fans will see tomorrow is us playing on the front foot, playing high up the pitch, pressing Coastal Union, and playing our style of football, dominating the game, dominating the 90 minutes. That's our objective. Every game we play, we want to control the game and dominate the game, not only for a few minutes, but for the entire game. So we're going to go out there and we're going to give it all we have.
Sorry, nyingine hapo.
Coach, my name is Ramadan. Just now from Scout TV. My question is, first of all, the match between Coastal Union always is a tough game, as we know. Another one is about the prayers. We're going to miss tomorrow, and as we see in the last match, performance as well. The fans, they didn't see him. So, how many players are going to miss tomorrow? And the preparations concern about the Coastal Union. And always, even though, I don't know, maybe for your friends, since you are the number of the days you stay with the teams, it's not a big number since you joined the clubs. So how you gonna face these teams tomorrow?
The first part of your question about Coastal Union, of course, is the Coastal is a very good team, and we respect them like we respect all the other opponents, and so we have no doubt about that, and the players are absolutely clear about that. So it's going to be a tough game, and we know that, and we have to face that. The second part, in terms of the timing, look, we don't, with all these back-to-back games, we don't have much time to change many things. But the small details that will help us win the game, I think that we already talked about, and we'll continue to talk about throughout today, leading up to the game tomorrow, to change those small details that can help us even give us the slightest edge in tomorrow's game. As far as the players who are absent, yes, some players were rested last game. Obviously, you all know the schedule that we had to go through, coming from Mungano and going right back into the league, playing back-to-back games. So, of course, sometimes some players are human at the end of the day, and some of them have to be. We have to try to manage the squad as best as possible, and that was just squad management. And tomorrow today we'll see after the training session the best 11 that we have available to start tomorrow's game, and then the guys who can come off the bench to help finish that game will be in the team squad tomorrow.
Okay. Last question to coach.
Coach, me again. Should we expect a better Yanga tomorrow?
What you can expect is the Yanga that are champions for the last 4 years, that are hunting for the 5th title, hungry, ambitious, and a forward, front foot playing team. So for me to say a better would I don't want to take away from the work that's been done before by anyone. So I won't use that word, but I can tell you'll see a team that wants to win the game tomorrow.
Thank you, coach. Naam, huyo alikuwa ni kocha Abdelhamid Mollin ambaye amezungumza kwa niaba ya